Timber is the ultimate renewable resource. Portalign is a new range of timber lining boards for DIYers. It's lightweight, fast to put up, pre-primed so it's ready for painting and can be used on walls, furniture, under benches and much more. Portalign boards can be installed on any flat surface. You can install it on plasterboard or MDF like we're using here. The most important part is that it's clean, smooth, straight, and most important, plumb. Nice. Create a plumb line for your first board using a level. You just want to make sure that that line is perfectly vertical. Once you've measured your boards, you're ready to cut them, but you just want to remember, measure twice and cut once. Now we're ready to paint the boards. You want to lay them out on a dust-free surface and make sure that the coverage is nice and even. With the paint dry, we are ready to install our first board. I'm just going to apply some adhesive to the back and then face fix it every 300mm with 20 or 32mm brads. Now comes the fun part. I'm going to install the remaining boards by nailing through the tongue. And you just want to make sure that you're regularly checking they're still plumb. Now I like to check for plumb around every 5 boards. And also, don't be afraid to face fix if it's not sitting flush with the wall. With all the boards installed, I'll now go back and fill in any of the nail holes that I had to face fix through with some gap filler. Once that's dry, I'll just give it a light sand. And now you're ready to add the finishing coat of paint to your new wall. So you can see Portalign is easy to install and ideal for DIYers of any skill level. And being made from timber, you know you're doing the right thing for the environment, as timber is the ultimate renewable resource. And how good does that look?